Now we will see how to use merge tools. Let's create two polygons. Finish. And another overlapping polygon. Finish. If we see the attribute table, we have two polygons there. If we want to merge those two polygons, click on the merge. Select another polygon using shift, and we have two polygons. Click on the merge. The two polygons have been merged and create a single polygon we can see in the attribute table. Let's save this.